Hey yo family, today it's gonna be Roblox for your trade of the day. And yeah, what a crazy day here today. Down now 26% and trying to get back up. We are short right now, so that's our current position. So Fed just released the minutes, so we're watching out to see if we take out 54 and then we'll punch out, otherwise we're down here below. But let's think about how we started the day. I wrote on the sticky note that the very first level we wanted to look at was gonna be 60 bucks. I should have known this was a problem when we got filled at 8:40 in the morning. And you see what happens after that. So we take a small position, and you're always gonna see whenever I'm doing the trade of the day, normally we're taking something in the pre-market, at least something, but this one's small on Roblox. Why? Because when you look at this, we had our very bottom and we already broke it, but that bottom, that was a wick bottom, that one crazy day, I think on January 28th or so, was made, or actually this was a little bit earlier than that, was made down there at $53. So there was a 53, 54 bottom that we were looking at. So if we're gonna respect that, that's the first mistake, is getting long 60. And then we sort of just added to it. Now, if you look at the daily chart one more time, we did have in here, there is 58 to 57, and I could have blown this up. I just want to show you the dramatic moves that Roblox has, right? So we were expecting some kind of fireworks today. This is the last earnings call. This one, 77 to 108, 111 there. So today, we go the opposite way and start making new lows on Roblox. But we just started to make a mess early. We bought there, and then we started, and then these are the good defends here. Back down 56, 57. So we're looking to now defend this 55 level, and we're able to get some out. But the problem is, as it comes down, we start bleeding. We get a little bit out, we get a little bit more out there. Then it goes up, and we fear we miss the bottom. Don't ever get FOMO on these plays. We fear we miss that bottom. So what winds up happening? We go long, and then it tanks again, and we don't get out, comes up, a little bit of relief, and then that's really the ultimate out right there when we take down like 55, 54, 50, something like that to the downside. But we don't give up on Roblox. So it's a bad stock, but fortunately, because it's been going down, there was really no key levels for us to actually push in a decent amount of shares and put some risk on the line until, so forget about everything that's happening here. Most of these are just small little profits, in and out, scalping. We talked about switching over to scalping because it was barcoding here between 54 and 55. Then all of a sudden, dramatic move down. This is where we took 5 times the shares of any of these positions down here. We got long at like 54.04, something like that. Why did we take 5 times the shares? Because we had a bottom breaking through that 50, right? So, or sorry, 54. It kept up. It's too bad that it's so squished, but we kept getting out 20s, some 30s, not much, some teens there, until eventually it breaks, and that's that purple note. Once it breaks, we ignite the short, and finally we take the short at the lowest part of the day, and it tanks all the way down and to the point where we're still short now. So that was a good trade for us. Other than this first little mishap, the scalping was great, this was great, and now this breakdown is great. My best out is 53.25 right now on a 54 short. So we're still holding this. I still think 53 breaks. It's your trade of the day, and it was a tough one. It was Roblox, but the damage is minimal, so I consider myself lucky.